This is Optimus. Its Neuralink head is the key. The scale inside this factory is massive. We're building the future of robotics right here. It's incredible.
What if the future of labor isn't human? Inside this high-tech fortress, the world's most advanced AI is taking a physical form. This is not just a machine, it's a silicon brain, learning to walk, talk, and think just like us.
Navigate and interact with the real world.
A new era of evolution has begun. The factory of the future is no longer a dream, it's alive.
Protection confirmed. Inspection complete.
A grip stronger than steel, yet gentle enough to handle a single grain of sand without breaking it. It doesn't just look, it perceives. Every object is analyzed, categorized, and understood in a fraction of a second.
Through complex human environments.
A heart made of lithium and lightning. This power cell gives the machine the endurance to outwork any human.
Power levels optimal. Batteries at full capacity.
Even an artificial mind needs to stay cool. The integrated liquid cooling system allows for trillions of calculations without breaking a sweat. The machine is complete, a titanium skeleton hidden beneath a shell of pure innovation. One small step for a robot, one giant leap for the future of automation. It's learning to conquer the obstacles of the human world. It's not just a machine, it's a partner, designed to live in our world, to assist us, and eventually to walk alongside us. While the body stands still, the mind travels through millions of worlds, learning every possible human movement in a single breath.
It's learning fast.
It doesn't just follow a script, it thinks, adapts, and solves problems in real time, just like a human worker.
It adapts, placing the tool precisely to avoid collision.
The line between man and machine is fading. The factory of tomorrow is being built by the hands of today's most advanced AI. A machine that knows when to stop. Its primary directive is simple: protect the humans it works with. built for the long haul. Every joint and every circuit is monitored to ensure peak performance even under extreme pressure. Two hands, one mind. The robot has achieved a level of coordination that matches the finest human craftsmen. Strength is nothing without control. Every movement is a perfect balance of raw power and microscopic precision.
Torque readings are optimal.
It doesn't just work, it understands. This is the birth of the first truly intelligent mechanical workforce. It sees what we cannot. Darkness is no longer a barrier to the most advanced industrial mind on the planet.
Visibility, but it's navigating flawlessly.
Built for the toughest conditions. Whether it's a moving ship or a vibrating factory, this machine stays grounded and ready.
Test complete, robot stable.
The journey begins. From the heart of the gigafactory, a new species of labor is ready to be shipped to every corner of the globe. Unbox, activate, execute. The world's first plug-and-play workforce is no longer a dream, it is a reality.
Pre-trained global intelligence.
Elon Musk's vision has come to life. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's built to last. Welcome to the era of Optimus.